Hello students, today we see section formulae. Section formula for internal division and section formula for external division. Section formula for, or we say midpoint formula. Third. So here section, first one is section formula for internal division. Okay. So for that we take 2 points and we join them, we get a segment. So A and B are 2 points in a space with position vector A bar and B bar. Position vectors A bar and B bar. Okay. We join them, we get segment AB. Let R be point whose position vector is R bar on the segment. R be a point on segment joining A and B, dividing the segment internally in the ratio M is to N. So this value is M and this is M. Okay. Now then we prove R bar is equal to M B bar plus N A bar upon M plus N. Now see the proof. See the figure. Here we have taken the points, joined them, and R is the point on the segment with, see the position vectors A bar, R bar and B bar, and the point divide the segment in the ratio M is to N. Now we write the things from the figure that OA bar is equal to A bar, OB bar is equal to B bar, and OR bar is equal to R bar. R is the point on the segment AB, divide segment in the ratio M is to N. Therefore, we write this ratio AR is to RB is equal to M is to N. We simplify this, N into AR is equal to M into RB, equation number 1. Okay. Now from this figure 1, direction of AR and direction of RB is same. They are collinear as well as direction is same. Therefore, we write this in the vector form. So these vectors are same, and we simplify this. These are the position vectors. So AR bar is equal to R bar minus A bar is equal to M into B bar minus R bar. Simplifying, we get NR bar is equal to NA bar is equal to minus NA bar is equal to MB bar minus MA bar. We take the transformation. We get MR bar plus NR bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar. M plus N into R bar is common, is equal to MB bar plus NA bar, and finally we get R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. That we want to prove here. Okay, this is our section formula for internal division. So this is the vector form of the section formula for internal division. Now we write this formula in the, we find the coordinates of the point R by using the formula see here. So coordinate form of the section formula is, if the coordinates of the points A, B and R are as A1, A2, A3, coordinates of A are, coordinates of B are B1, B2, B3, and coordinates of RB R1, R2, R3. Okay, then we find here R1 is equal to M B1 plus N A1 upon M plus N. Okay. Similarly, we find R2 and R3. R2 is equal to M B2 plus N A2 upon M plus N, and R3 is equal to M B3 plus N A3 upon M plus N. So these are the coordinates of the point of division. Okay. So this is about the section formula for internal division. Now second is section formula for external division. So before this we say the midpoint formula. So what is midpoint formula? Here we see the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula, we have this section formula for internal division. If R is the midpoint of AB, if R is midpoint of AB, of segment AB, then M is equal to N. Okay, and hence the formula becomes R bar is equal to M B bar plus M A bar upon M plus N. M B bar is common, so here it is B bar plus A bar upon 2M. M cancel. We write A bar plus B bar upon 2. This is the midpoint formula. If R is the midpoint of the segment AB. Then we find the position vector of R, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar upon 2. Now next one is the section formula for external division. Okay, if this point R divide the segment joining AB externally in the ratio m:n. Okay, then R bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. We take same things, but this R divide externally in the ratio m:n. So external division. So here we let this is B and this is R. Okay, so AR is equal to m and RB is equal to, here it is RB, or BR is equal to N. Okay, so it is RB from R to B. So this is like this, direction is opposite. Okay, so AR is equal to M and RB is equal to N. Okay, now we have given R divided externally in the ratio m:n. So same formula, AR upon RB is equal to m:n. AR is equal to total, this total value is m and this is m. Okay, this total is m. So transformation n into AR is equal to m into RB. R divided AB externally. See from figure, we find here from figure 2, here we say 2, direction of AR is opposite to direction of RB. Therefore, n into AR bar is equal to minus m into RB bar. This is opposite direction. And we simplify this, n into R bar minus A bar is equal to m minus m into B bar minus R bar. Again, this is n R bar minus n A bar is equal to minus m B bar plus m R bar. This m R bar transfer here. It will be negative, or we transfer n R bar to this side, and m R bar minus n R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar. So m minus n into R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar, and finally we get R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar upon m minus n. Okay, so this is section formula for external division. Okay, so what is the difference between section formula for internal and external division? The difference of sign only. Yes. Now the coordinates of the point of division are when R divides externally. What are the coordinates of point of division? Same thing here. So here we find R1 is equal to mb1 minus na1 upon m minus n. R2 is equal to mb2 minus na1 upon m minus n, and R3 is equal to mb3 minus na3, that is na2 upon m minus n. So in this way we find the coordinates of the point of division. So these are the section formulae: section formula for internal division, section formula for external division, and the middle point formula. So see this video again and again, watch this video again and again, you can understand easily. Okay, thank you.